Now let's look at a pathway example for setting up your course in elementary. So we've already looked at linear and playlist, and now let's look at pathway, where once again we have the TEKS. So the folder starts off the same, but then once we're in here, we have a folder here that tells the students to start here. This is their initial instruction, and it's also where they will take a pretest. So they go in here, they do their initial instruction. This is hidden so you'll know what you're supposed to do, but after they complete the assessment, the students will be individually assigned into a pathway based on how they performed on the assessment. So once they have taken the assessment, then the teacher will look at the results, the data, and will assign the students to a pathway, which is easy to do by clicking on the gear and clicking on individually assign, because you will want to individually assign this folder to all the students that should be in the green pathway so that they don't see the purple one. And then the purple pathway, oops, didn't mean to click on that. And then the purple pathway will be individually assigned to all the students that need that. And I believe the way we've set this one up, the green pathway would be for the students who still need some additional supports with the initial instruction, the TEK that you were working on. And the purple pathway would be for those who scored higher but still need some instruction with their with that TEK. So then after they have completed these pathways, and as you can see when you go in here, we have some folders for them to complete. And then in the purple pathway, they have the similar folders, but they also have one that is also called enrichment that has some enrichment activities for them to complete that the other students are not going to get it. So we assigned, there's a few of the activities may be the exact same in both folders, but then some of them are completely new and different for those students. But then they would complete the end of the week assessment to see how they are doing. All right, so this is a pathway. It offers the most personalization for a student because this is going to be more individually assigned based on the needs of that student. Just as we did with the linear and with the playlist example that we've already seen, we used a lot of the same activities that we had already created, but they are presented in a completely different format. And as with the other one, we still went to the Klein curriculum container, looked at our learning guides to get our curriculum. So that is the pathway example for elementary.